Dogs evolved from a now extinct species of wolf. They can learn over 100 words and gestures. Dogs love to stay with humans. They only sweat from their paws, and have to cool down by panting. Communication in dogs includes eye gaze, facial expression, vocalization, body posture including movements of bodies and limbs, and gustatory communication, sense, pheromones, and taste. They mark their territories by urinating on them, which is more likely when entering a new environment. The dog is the most popular pet in the world. In developed countries, around 20% of dogs are kept as pets, while 75% of the population in developing countries largely consists of feral and community dogs. Dog behavior has been shaped by millennia of contact with humans. They have acquired the ability to understand and communicate with humans. The scientific evidence is mixed as to whether a dog's companionship can enhance human physical